My name is Brandon Sarkis on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'll be showing you some of the new features in Mac OS 10.5 Leopard. Okay, the next feature I wanted to show you was the very highly touted new Time Machine feature, which is a fully featured backup. It's really interesting. All you have to do, well, first thing you have to do is actually attach a hard drive to your Mac. I would actually recommend going with something at least twice the size of the hard drive you have in the machine, and I'll show you why in a moment. I chose to attach this 250 gigabyte hard drive to mine, and you can tell by the little icon on the outside of it, which you'll see right over here. You can tell by the icon on it that it's a Time Machine drive. It's a backup drive. Otherwise, it would have, the FireWire or the USB icon on top. So what I'll do is I'll go down here to Time Machine, which looks like the icon. It's a little clock with an arrow going backwards. I'll click on that. And it does something pretty cool here. Neat little animation. And there's my desktop folder. So I can go to, for example, I'll go through my desktop folders to show you. A couple things I can do here. I can click here to show me today. I can click over here on the left to cancel. I can click over here on the right to restore. I can also go up and down the side here and go through as far back as I need to go. Leopard's only been out for less than a day, so it's kind of hard for me to really go back more than a day. But here we go. Yesterday, 8:59 p.m. I can show you what it looked like. I can show you what it looked like yesterday at 10:37. You'll see it didn't look much different as opposed to now. I did a little bit of rearranging. I cleaned the desktop up. You can scroll through it this way, which is kind of neat. So, yeah, it's a really neat feature. You can also go through, for example, I can open up my pictures folder. I can go through it the same way. And you'll see at the bottom it has the time. So I'll just click on Now and show you that my pictures folder hasn't really changed. The way this works, though, is you set this once, you keep your hard drive attached, and you just let it go. And I'll show you how to actually set it up right now. I'm going to hit Cancel. You can also hit Escape to back out. And we'll close that window. I'm going to go into the System Preferences, which the icon looks a little different now. It's a couple of gears. Looks a lot like the iPhone System Preferences icon. And you go over here to Time Machine under System. And if you want to change the disk, change the disk. You can turn it off or on right here.